All right, so this is our off-road trailer. We've been working on this front part right here, which is the slide-out kitchen. We built this trailer a little over a year ago. It's been awesome for us on all of our trips, and we really decided that we wanted an even faster setup for cooking, because a lot of the trips we've been going on we don't really spend a lot of time at the campsite. I mean, we tend to just look for roads, go off-roading, find trails, and then we have a little bit of time at night to cook, and then we're pretty much get up and go in the morning, throw it, and we try to pack everything quick. And this is going to make it really simple. Instead of taking everything out of the trailer, assembling the table, putting up the grill. So what we've done here is, let me show this to you, give you a little walk around. Basically, it's just a 2 by 2.5 foot by 4 box that we've added out of plywood. You can see our other videos of the actual build of it. We've mounted it on here, bolted it all together down in the frame, bolted it to the trailer itself, caulked it. We raptor linered the whole thing. Here it's actually wet and it's been holding up really good. So here she is. Let me pull it out. Basically, it's got these 500-pound sliders on it. Slides out really nice. Here it is from the front. So what it consists of is basically just a pull-out slide with a grill top installed, and the cooler that slides out itself, again on a set of nice heavy-duty sliders. And we also have a storage bin in here. We're probably going to do a shelf for the height of cans and stuff like that. This grill has worked out perfect. We ordered this nice Coleman Triton series, it's called Coleman Triton. It's nice because it already has an igniter built right into it. Some of the cheaper ones don't have that, so you got to light it every time. We put the gas propane tank fitting right up in here, so whenever you need this, you could just screw the bottle right on. We were going to do a rubber hose and store it down in here. However, finding a rubber hose that bolts directly or attaches directly into the grill is near impossible. I found one online. I thought it would work. The fitting into the Coleman propane part was not correct. So the only ones I've seen they make is screw right into that, then to a rubber hose, which doesn't really help us because we wanted everything tucked out of the way. So this is going to work fine. We just screw the propane thing right up into that when we need it, light it up. When you're done, close it down, lock it up. Coolers right here. We made this big enough actually for an ARB fridge if we ever wanted to. I don't know if it would take the weight, and we'd have to figure out stuff for power and whatnot. But this is perfect for us. We always bring a cooler. We make do with it. We're not, we like just keeping it simple. So that slides right back in, and then the whole unit just slides right back in nice, locks, tucked away, perfect. So very happy with this build. We're gonna do probably another video showing you us actually on the road once we're using this, and we'll also follow up with a video of how it holds up. Those sliders are very heavy duty. I don't think there's going to be any issues with those. Just keep them nice and lubed up, and shouldn't have any problem. So I hope you guys like this build. Please comment with any questions of how we did it, or what. We'll probably end up doing a video like we always do on a follow-up on lessons learned. Typically after we build things like this, you're always going to find something you dislike or something that doesn't quite hold up like you thought it would. So we'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. Like I said, like, comment. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We got plenty of videos still coming. Keep checking us out. See you guys soon.